The introduction week is very important for the students because we get 80, 90 students together, meeting each other for the first time, and they really learn how to interact over 2 locations.
I'm looking forward the most to make connections.
Studying business and living at this beautiful campus.
And finding something that I love.
We set them various different assignments which are all based on teamwork, respect, self-respect, and they really learn the first basis of responsibility which we want them to focus on for the next 3 years and to become responsible leaders.
I like the small classes. It's really a hands-on experience. Everyone here is very invested in you.
You're really around people all the time. You get such a good connection with them.
The key experiences that we want students to take away are basic things like time management and understanding how to interact during lectures and sessions.
I chose for Nyenrode because I felt like that here there's a lot of attention on you.
You stay authentic and close to yourself. Well, in the future leader, I think if you follow your passion and be close to yourself, authentic, then you're the strongest.
The thing that makes this program unique, I mean, look around, we have this beautiful location in Brooklyn. We also have an amazing location in Amsterdam. We also have different elements like sports in the program, which is very unique. We have a personal development journey which goes across 3 years, as well as a company project in year 2, and a fantastic exchange program in the final year. So all of these things combined make this a very unique program.